Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Oneplus 8T mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, then followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and the rear cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing screws. First, take out the shield and disconnect the flash connector plug, and then undo 9 screws and lift the frame using a pry tool. Next, unplug the battery connector on the left hand side. Next, move to the bottom section and undo 7 screws to take out the PCB cover. Next, take out the main flex by disconnecting plugs from both top and the bottom. Next, undo the screw and disconnect both antennas and 2 connector plugs. And then by using a pry tool, take out the secondary PCB board. Next, take out the charger port flex by disconnecting the plug and undoing 2 screws. Next, take out the battery. First, loosen the adhesive on the sides and pull them by the red tab on both sides. It looks like 2 separate batteries, but it has only one connector. Next, place the new battery in the body and paste the adhesives back. Next, place the charging port flex cable and connect it to the logic board, and then add 2 screws to secure the port. Next, place the secondary PCB and lock in with the screw, and then connect 2 plugs and both antennas into the secondary board. Next, place the main flex and connect it by both ends. Next, place the secondary PCB cover by adding 7 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and place the mainboard frame by securing 9 screws. And also, do not forget to plug the flash sensor and the shield. Next, insert the SIM tray and place the back cover on the body. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding bonding clips to tighten the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave it for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.